Well, today I just did the oil change on my Toyota 2015 Toyota Corolla. Um, I have to admit, this might be my last oil change. I ran to one issue that I had before like years ago. I could not remove the oil filter canister on this 2015. If you have 2015 Corolla, you know that it's not as easy. You have to remove this canister first, and I think the last mechanic over tightened, and I don't want to use the impact wrench to do it yet. Yeah, it's too much. I'm getting old, and with all the mess and everything, I think I'm gonna stick to Walmart. I think they charge like $50 to do full synthetic oil change, so I'm gonna stick to Walmart from now. Actually, my kids have been going to Walmart and other mechanics. Uh, you can save a little bit of money, but if you guys willing and your process is pretty easy, then go for it. And then I have to, for the used oil, I have to find a place to dump it and all of that. It's just too much hassle for right now. So I think this was my last oil change ever, I guess. It's just not economical, and it just with all the disposal and issue you might have and going underneath and all of that, check up the car. For me, it's just not worth it. What do you think? See you folks on the next video.